Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your GNC order. It is important to act very quickly after placing an order, as GNC's system processes orders almost immediately. For most standard orders, direct cancellation after submission is generally not possible. Therefore, returning the item once you receive it becomes the primary method if you no longer want the product. We will explore the specific steps for different order types and what to do if you need to make a change. If you have a subscription order, you have more flexibility. You can easily manage these directly through your online account. First, log into your GNC account on their website. Then, navigate to the My Account section and select Subscribe to Save. Here, you will see your upcoming shipments and have the option to cancel a specific subscription, change its frequency, or even skip a shipment. This gives you control over recurring deliveries. For standard orders that cannot be canceled online, contacting GNC customer service is your next best step. You can reach them by phone at 1-877-462-4700, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Be sure to have your order number readily available. While direct cancellation is unlikely, they can confirm the order status and guide you on the return process. Sending an email to customer service at GNCHQ.com can also provide a helpful written record. If cancellation isn't possible, GNC offers a generous return policy. You can return most unused products within 30 days from the order date for a full refund of the purchase price, excluding shipping. Ensure the item is in good condition, ideally with original packaging. Refunds are typically processed back to your original payment method within 5 to 10 business days. Also, remember that in-store pickup orders not collected within 5 days of being ready will automatically be canceled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.